today's sloka, 13th chapter, 12th sloka. Please join.
अध्यात्मज्ञाननित्यत्वं तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनम् एतज्ज्ञानमिति प्रोक्तम् अज्ञानं यदतोऽन्यथा.
Let us together enjoy the explanation by Lord Krishna about the body, the field, and the knower of the field. He has been telling, as we told, that 20 items or qualities or materials which have been classified by him as knowledge. He is completing with this sloka. This is the fifth of the 5 sloka series. What he says? Accepting the importance of self-realization, philosophical search for the absolute truth, and the earlier ones. So together, all these I declare as knowledge. And whatever is contrary or not covered by these 20 is ignorance. This sloka, with this we are coming to the end. It is time for us to take a hard look at all of them in one go. Must have all of them on the 4 slokas assembled in one place, the meanings, and then have a look at them, take a hard look, and we will have some idea about the whole thing. So, we have to, after obtaining the full knowledge about what is knowledge, then we can adopt them and adapt ourselves to use this. Though there is no question of leaving any item in choice. These are all not like examination, you leave some choice, because they are all essential. So we are allowed to change the sequence by sorting A to Z or Z to A in the order of ease of following this, or the difficulty in executing the same. That is, we are having that much free will. Thereafter, as we have explained earlier, the hint in autobiography of Benjamin Franklin was an inventor, scientist, printer, politician, Freemason, and a diplomat. And he was excelling in all of them. Franklin helped in drafting the Declaration of Independence. He asked us what he has done. He asked us to choose 13 items for a year to be developed by us or to be inculcated in our system, and practice only one in that 13 fixed by us for 4 weeks. In those 4 weeks, we should concentrate only on that one quality. If there are other qualities, good qualities coming in between, just ignore them, because we have to master this one particular quality or the item of knowledge, you can say it is coming in that. If you practice one quality for 4 weeks, and then like that you can, in 1 year of 52 weeks, you can complete 13 qualities. That way, you would have inculcated, embedded in our system thoroughly. Then the next 13, then the next 13, like that you can, next 13 weeks like that, in 1 year, 4 times you can complete the whole thing. So this is how it is, the system, wonderful system by Benjamin Franklin in his autobiography. Now the joke happens to be on the Declaration of American Independence, to which we are referring, drafted by our Benjamin Franklin. So in an interview, Keshav, the MD, is asking the interview candidate, where was the Declaration of Independence signed? That fellow was very casual, very friendly type. He tried to be very friendly. Very easy, sir. I don't know why are you asking these simple questions in an interview like that. Keshav, already a serious man, got more serious. Okay, if you are so confident, shoot out the answer. Then he says, the boy says, at the bottom of the paper, sir. What anybody means by that is where, which city, which port, where the declaration was signed. Anybody will guess that it is at the bottom of the paper. You don't sign at the top and print the matter. Hare Krishna.